Hey guys, welcome to the next part of the Construct 2 platform game tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to do something that a lot of people want to do, and that is how do we shoot bullets from the character. This is something that a lot of people want to do, so let's give that a try. So the first thing we need to do is we need to draw a bullet. We need to draw a bullet because the program doesn't know what the bullet will look like. So we need to right click, insert new object, new sprite, and then we draw the bullet. Now for the bullet I'm just going to use a square, and it's going to be a blue square like this. Alright, that's my bullet. And don't forget to set the collision polygon, because you only want this to be the bullet. You don't want this empty space. So you need to do this. So just make sure that you wrap the bullet around the collision polygon like that, and then we close it. So there is the bullet. Of course the bullet's very big, so we want to make it a little bit small like that. I might need to zoom in a bit more. Okay, there we go. Alright, that looks better. Okay, we'll have the bullet about this size. Now we don't want to see the bullet on the screen, so we want to put the bullet off the screen. So put the bullet on the top of the screen so we can't see it when we run the game. So if you do run layout, we can't see the bullet because it's at the very top. Good. Now the next thing we want to do, we need to work out how is this character going to shoot this bullet. Now we are going to use the keyboard. And also I'd like to introduce you to event sheet 1. Right? The event sheet is what we use when we want to create things that will happen in the game. So for example, if we press this button, what is going to happen? You'll see in a moment if you don't understand. So first thing we need to do is we need to say, okay, this character, we're going to use a keyboard button to shoot the bullet. So we need to we click on the character, and then we right click, insert new object. We're going to create a keyboard input object. There we go. Now you'll see that the keyboard input object is here, and you'll see why we need that. Oh yeah, and also let's change the sprite to bullet, so it doesn't become so confusing. Now what we have to do is we click on him, and we're going to go to event sheet 1. Now let's add the first event. We want to say, right, we click on the keyboard. We want to say that when we press the space bar on the keyboard, we want the bullet to shoot out of the character. So we say, when we press the key, on key pressed, it asks you, which key would you like? So you press this, and you press the space bar, there. Now it says, when on the space pressed, when the keyboard on the space pressed, that means when you press the space bar on the keyboard, what action do we want? Well, we want the character to create a bullet. So we want the character to create a bullet from its body. So the thing that we want is spawn another object. Spawn means to create a copy of an object. Spawn another object. Right, now it's asking which object would we like. So we click the object choose. We say we want to create a bullet, and then we click the done button. Now have a look. When the keyboard spacebar is pressed, the character will spawn a bullet. Now let's see what happens. Let's go back to layout. Let's press the run layout. Now let's see what happens. So what happens if I press the spacebar? Interesting. Now the bullets are coming out of the character, but the bullet is not flying in the correct direction. So there is something missing. Maybe we need to do something to the bullet to make it fly in the right direction, because right now it's not working very well. So we need to go back and we need to do something to the bullet. So here's the bullet. We need to add a behavior. Now there is a behavior for an actual bullet. If you press the add new button, there is a bullet movement. So whichever angle this character is facing, the bullet will fly in the direction he is looking. So we do bullet behavior for this one. And now let's see what happens. So let's see. So there is the character shooting the bullets. There we go. That's much, much better. Something else you might want to try as well. Let's say you want the bullets to bounce off the wall. Because right now if you shoot the bullets actually go through the walls or go through the platforms. And also to really help, we can take the platform and maybe we'll rotate one. So it's much easier to see the bullets being deflected. So let me show you. Right, so what we do is we take this platform and we go to the behavior, and right, it's a solid, we know that, but there is a I think there's a behavior somewhere that we can use to make the bullet deflect. Let's just have a look. Okay, I've just worked out how to do it. So right now, let's just go back. I'll try to explain what I want. I want the bullet to bounce off this platform. Right now it's just going through the platform like this. So what we do is we click the bullet, and there is a part here that says bounce off solids, and it says no. So we want to change that to yes. Now let's try. So now if we shoot the bullets will actually be bouncing off the platform like this. There we go. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching, and good luck. Bye.